What's up, guys? So it's been a while since I did any videos. I've had a lot of stuff going on, personal stuff, but I just want to give you an update. I'm going to try and start doing some more videos. A lot of it's going to be sort of the progress I make in my, so I wouldn't say latest hobby, but like something I've come back to after a long time. I'll show you. Skateboarding. You can see that little board there I got for my son too. He's learning. But quick backstory is I grew up in San Francisco. Once I hit like 6th or 7th grade, I moved out there and I stayed through most of middle school, high school. And if you know anything about San Francisco, it has like the best skate spots in the world. And so me and my best friend Nick, at the time, we used to just hop on the bus for $1 all day and just explore San Francisco, skate all day. It was really a fun time. But anyway, during that time, we used to bomb this hill every day after school that went to Nick's house. And it goes straight down, and then it levels out where there's a cross street, and then it goes straight down again. And at the bottom of the hill is his house, and I bombed this hill the one day after school like we always did, and he decided to go to the corner store that day, and a car was coming down the road through the intersection and hit me where the hill levels out in the middle. Yeah, I didn't walk for probably a year. Broke tons of bones and stuff. I had all these screws put into my leg, as you can see right here. The screws were put in to sort of hold the bones in place, and then they took them back out at a later date. But yeah, it was a crazy thing. So yeah, for a long time, skateboarding wasn't even really an option for me. I was really just learning how to walk, and when you don't walk for a whole year, your priorities change. So yeah, it wasn't even an option physically speaking, but it also just wasn't even on my radar mentally, because I was just trying to recover physically. But yeah, as the years gone by, I've always sort of kept up with skating and what was going on, and always wanted to get back into it. So now, finally, 30, I finally decided to get back into it. I just picked up a board. I was gonna go and buy, everything individually. Then I realized I didn't really know what new trucks are out right now, because I haven't really kept up with that aspect of skating, because I wasn't skating. So I just went and bought a complete. Then I got a really good deal on this chocolate board. I got a chocolate deck. It's a Stevie Perez deck. Royal Low trucks. It's got chocolate 52 mil wheels on it and girl bearings. But it's a nice deck. I would like a wider deck. It's a pretty narrow deck. It's like a 7-9 or something. So yeah, I usually like an 8, 8.25. That was usually what I would normally skate. So I'll probably go with like an 8.25, and I want to get some either like Venture or Thunder Hollow trucks. So, but yeah, for now this works. And I'm actually going to get ready to go skate this in a few minutes. I think I'm going to take my motorcycle. It's a nice day. Go hit up the local skate park and see what happens. So stick around. You should be seeing that shortly.